A lot of our communication problems are global today. Real world problems today are dealt with interdisciplinary. And so I really like the idea that you're bringing people with different expertise, different professions to come here and work together to solve these real world problems.
When we step into the space between virtual reality and real life, how does technology reshape our moral choices? The GCIT program recently welcomed visiting scholar Professor Yu-Hao Lee from the University of Florida in the United States to NCCU, sparking a dynamic dialogue bridging media psychology and public practice. This meaningful exchange brought key campus figures together, hosted by GCIT Director Professor Tammy Lin. Professor Lee explored GCIT's advanced facilities and virtual production studio, joined by Professor Heng Su, Vice President of the University System of Taiwan, and Professor Abdulrazak Altun from the Department of Turkish Language and Culture. The collaboration prioritized direct mentorship through personalized student consultations, where Professor Lee guided individuals in connecting their unique research goals with future career paths. The dialogue expanded into a captivating public lecture, focusing on moral dilemmas and media psychology. The visiting scholar demonstrated how immersive technologies like VR transform audiences from simple observers into active decision-makers. This conceptual framework came to life during a hands-on interactive workshop. Students dove deep into public interest communication, analyzing how strategic media drives real social change. Student interaction was incredibly vibrant throughout, with GCIT students eagerly raising questions and debating everything from dark humor to global crises. From individual choices in virtual worlds to collective social practice, this successful visit has come to a close, leaving a lasting impact on the future of communication innovation at GCIT.
GCIT Go Global!
Master's Program in Global Communication and Innovation Technology, NCCU.